The animation editor in Kanzi Studio benefits from multiple improvements included in the 3.9.10 release. There is a new consolidated space on the left for all animation keyframe related data. Settings like time value and easing can be found here. There is also a drop-down menu containing a wider range of keyframe easing functions. Unselected functions now appear with reduced opacity inside the editor, instead of being hidden entirely. We have also introduced keyframe snapping. Custom allows you to manually set the snap distance. Or in Snap to Grid, the snapping will correspond to your zoom level and the relevant grid points there. And one final tip, you can now use Alt and Shift as a snap toggle shortcut.